Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS Back to Future with GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super GPU. So friend, ASUS has unveiled the new Z790 motherboard and GPU variants under the Back to Future series featuring the NVIDIA RTX 4070 Ti Super and friend photos unveiled. ASUS BTF lineup aims to integrate innovation elements into multiple hardware products and friend. Starting with the motherboard, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790-BTF Wi-Fi comes with the LGA 1700 socket, supporting Intel's 14th and 13th generation processor. Regarding VRM features, the motherboard has 16 plus 1 plus 1 60 ampere DrMOS power stage cover in large white and silver VRM heatsinks with aluminum brushing to provide the best look, and the Z790 BTF Wi-Fi support PCIe 5.0 into 16 interface and one PCIe 4.0 into 16 expansion slot. For memory and storage options, you have 4 DIMM slots with support for DDR5 7200, 4 M.2 slot for SATA 6 Gbps ports, which is ample. In terms of onboard connectivity, the motherboard features Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 support. For USB port, you have a USB Type-C to USB Type-A, USB Type-C 10 Gbps, for USB Type-A 5 Gbps. Hence, the connectivity department is packed with everything. So, friend, moving on, the more exciting bits, the TUF Gaming Z790 BTF Wi-Fi is distinguished by onboard connector placement, as all power connectors such as 8-pin ATX and 24-pin onboard are situated at the back. Through this approach, no cables would be visible in the front, which does provide a tidy and professional look. Moreover, the motherboard comes with GC-HPWR slot for GPU, which we have described in detail. And friend, apart from the motherboard, ASUS has also unveiled the GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super BTF White Edition as well. While we won't go into the specification of the SKU, the GPU comes with gorgeous white color scheme with a bulky triples fan design, along with GC-HPWR interface for power delivery for supported motherboards. And for those pairing up to BTF series, the above mentioned products are a perfect fit if you can consider in all white build. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.